Imagine waking up in 2030 and seeing money deposited into your account without working extra hours, driving for a side hustle, or starting another business. Sounds impossible? Well, that's exactly what dividend investing is all about. Today, we're looking at 5 high dividend stocks that could potentially help cover your monthly rent by 2030. These are companies that generate billions in revenue and share a portion of their profits with shareholders through dividends. And make sure you stay until the end, because I'll show you how much money you might need invested to generate $1,000 per month in passive income. Let's get started. Before we begin, remember that dividends are never guaranteed, and stock prices can rise or fall. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Now, let's start with stock number 5. Number 5, Realty Income. Chief symbol O. Realty Income is one of the most famous dividend stocks in America. In fact, it calls itself the monthly dividend company. Unlike most companies that pay dividends every 3 months, Realty Income pays investors every month. The company owns more than 15,000 commercial properties across the United States and Europe. Its tenants include pharmacies, grocery stores, convenience stores, dollar stores, and other essential businesses. Think about that for a moment. Every time someone buys groceries, picks up medicine, or visits a convenience store, those businesses are paying rent to Realty Income. And Realty Income shares part of that rental income with shareholders. Currently, the stock offers a dividend yield of around 5 to 6%. With a market value exceeding $50 billion, Realty Income has become one of the most trusted income-producing stocks in the market. For investors who want consistent cash flow, Realty Income is often one of the first names that comes to mind. Now, let's move on to stock number 4. Number 4, Verizon. Verizon is one of the largest telecommunications companies in the United States. Millions of Americans use Verizon every single day for phone calls, mobile data, internet access, and business communications. The company serves more than 140 million wireless connections. Now here's what makes Verizon attractive to dividend investors. People may cut back on vacations during a recession. They may delay buying a new car, but they rarely cancel their phone service. Mobile connectivity has become an essential part of everyday life. That creates recurring revenue for Verizon month after month. With a market capitalization of more than $170 billion, Verizon remains one of the largest dividend-paying companies in America. While it may not be a fast-growing technology stock, many investors appreciate its ability to generate reliable income. Now, let's look at stock number 3. Number 3, Chevron, largest energy companies. The company explores, produces, and sells oil and natural gas around the globe. Whether it's transportation, manufacturing, airlines, shipping, or industrial operations, energy remains critical to the global economy, and Chevron plays a major role in supplying that energy. One reason dividend investors love Chevron is its commitment to returning cash to shareholders. The company has increased its dividend for more than 3 decades. That's impressive considering the energy industry has gone through multiple oil crashes, recessions, and economic downturns. Chevron currently offers a dividend yield of approximately 4 to 5% and has a market value exceeding $250 billion. Of course, energy stocks can be more volatile than other sectors. When oil prices fall, profits can decline. But over the long run, Chevron has demonstrated its ability to survive difficult market conditions while continuing to reward investors. Next, let's talk about one of the most reliable companies in the entire stock market. Number 2, Johnson & Johnson. Ticker symbol JNJ. Johnson & Johnson operates in the healthcare sector. The company develops medicines, medical technologies, and healthcare products used by millions of people worldwide. Now think about this. People don't stop needing healthcare during a recession. They don't stop needing medical treatment during market crashes. Healthcare remains essential regardless of economic conditions. That's one reason Johnson & Johnson has built such a strong reputation among long-term investors. The company currently offers a dividend yield of around 3% and has a market value of more than $350 billion. But the most impressive statistic is this. Johnson & Johnson has increased its dividend for more than 60 consecutive years. That's 6 decades of dividend growth. Very few companies in the world can match that track record. While the yield may be lower than some stocks on this list, many investors see Johnson & Johnson as a cornerstone holding because of its stability and reliability. And now, let's move to stock number 1. Number 1, Altria Group. Altria is one of the highest-yielding dividend stocks among large American companies. The company is best known for its tobacco business and has generated enormous cash flow for decades. What makes Altria unique is its focus on returning profits directly to shareholders. Instead of aggressively expanding into new industries, the company distributes a large portion of its earnings through dividends. As a result, Altria often offers a dividend yield between 7 and 8%. That means a $10,000 investment could potentially generate around $700 to $800 in annual dividend income based on current yields. However, there's an important lesson here. Higher yields usually come with higher risks. Many investors have concerns about the long-term future of tobacco products. That's why diversification is important. Never rely on a single stock to generate all of your future income. The goal is to build a portfolio of quality businesses across different industries. Now let's answer the question everyone is wondering. How much money would you actually need to cover your rent? Let's assume your monthly rent is $1,000. That means you need $12,000 per year in passive income. If your portfolio generates an average dividend yield of 5%, you would need approximately $240,000 invested. Now, before you click away, remember something important. You don't need $240,000 today. Most successful investors build their portfolios slowly. Let's say you invest $500 every month. You consistently buy quality dividend stocks. You reinvest every dividend payment. And you continue doing this year after year. Over time, compounding begins working in your favor. The combination of dividend income, dividend growth, and stock appreciation can dramatically increase your wealth. That's how many investors eventually reach the point where their investments begin covering real-life expenses, whether it's rent, groceries, utility bills, or even retirement income. The biggest lesson isn't finding the perfect stock. The biggest lesson is owning assets that pay you. While most people spend their lives working for money, investors focus on building assets that generate money for them. Realty Income, Verizon, Chevron, Johnson & Johnson, and Altria. These are 5 examples of dividend-paying companies that many investors consider when building passive income portfolios. The sooner you start investing, the more time compounding has to work its magic. So here's my question for you. If you had $10,000 to invest today, which of these 5 stocks would you choose and why? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more investing and passive income content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.